we've found the ultimate cancer-fighting foods that will supercharge your health. We all know there's no cure for cancer, but there are things that may help mitigate and reduce your chances and increase your odds at fighting it if you already have it. So be sure to stay to the end, as beating cancer means we have to have as much edge as we can. These foods we're about to cover will give you just that. Before we jump in, we often reference the term free radicals. Here's a quick explanation on what this means from a cancer perspective. Free radicals are highly reactive molecules with unpaired electrons that can cause oxidative stress by damaging DNA, proteins, and cell membranes. This damage can lead to mutations and disruptions in cellular functions, which may contribute to the development of cancer. When free radicals accumulate due to factors like pollution, radiation, and cigarette smoke, the resulting oxidative stress can overwhelm the body's antioxidant defenses, increasing the risk of cancerous changes in cells. Certain foods can supercharge our body's natural defenses, giving us an edge in reducing these free radicals in the fight against cancer, improve cancer patients' survival rate, and reduce our chances at being diagnosed with it. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore 8 powerful foods that bolster your body's defenses and promote overall health. I'll break down the science behind their benefits and give you practical tips on incorporating them into your daily diet. So let's get started. Have you ever thought about the journey tea takes from the fields to your cup? It's a fascinating process that starts with the careful cultivation of tea plants in lush green fields. These leaves hold potent secrets for our health. Each leaf is meticulously picked to ensure the highest quality, capturing the essence of nature's goodness. Green tea, black tea, and matcha all come from the same plant, Camellia sinensis, but their processing gives them unique health benefits. Green tea is steamed to preserve its color and nutrients, black tea is fully oxidized, and matcha is ground into a fine powder. They're brimming with catechins, especially EGCG, a true superhero. Catechins are a type of antioxidant that fights off harmful molecules in our bodies. EGCG protects our cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. These free radicals can lead to chronic diseases and aging, but catechins help neutralize them. Green, black, and matcha tea also promote healthy blood flow, ensuring oxygen and nutrients are efficiently delivered throughout our bodies. This can improve cardiovascular health and overall vitality. Aim for 3 to 4 cups a day to reap their benefits. Consistent consumption can lead to noticeable improvements in your well-being. Enjoy them hot or iced, and get creative with tea lattes or smoothies. You can add lemon, honey, or even blend them with fruits for a refreshing twist. Pay attention to the quality of your tea. High-quality organic tea ensures that you get the maximum health benefits without harmful pesticides or additives. Look for organic varieties and steep properly. The right steeping time and temperature can make a significant difference in the flavor and health benefits of your tea. Small changes can make a big difference over time. Incorporating tea into your daily routine can lead to gradual but impactful health improvements. Dark chocolate can be a powerful ally in our fight against cancer. This delicious treat is more than just a dessert. It's a superfood packed with health benefits. It's packed with antioxidants that protect our cells from damage. These antioxidants, known as polyphenols, help neutralize harmful free radicals in our bodies. Flavonoids in dark chocolate act like bodyguards for our cells, shielding them from harmful free radicals. These compounds are known to reduce inflammation and improve heart health. It also helps improve blood flow, ensuring oxygen and essential nutrients reach every cell in our body. Improved circulation can lead to better brain function and a lower risk of cardiovascular diseases. Aim for 1 to 2 ounces of dark chocolate per day to reap its health benefits. Consuming it in moderation can help you maintain a healthy weight and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Look for chocolate with at least 70% cacao. The higher the cacao content, the more beneficial compounds it contains and the less sugar it has. Savor each bite and let the chocolate melt in your mouth to fully absorb all the good stuff. This slow consumption allows your body to better process the nutrients and enjoy the rich flavors. Tomatoes are not only delicious, but also pack a powerful punch for prostate health. The secret weapon is lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. lycopene acts as a potent antioxidant, protecting our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Lycopene is particularly effective in targeting prostate tissue, where it accumulates in high concentrations. Studies have shown that higher intake of lycopene-rich foods is associated with a lower risk of prostate cancer, likely due to its ability to inhibit cancer cell growth, promote apoptosis, programmed cell death, and reduce inflammation. It also helps regulate cell growth and may slow down the growth of cancer cells. Aim for 1 cup of cooked tomatoes or 1 glass of tomato juice daily. Cooking tomatoes increases the bioavailability of lycopene, making it easier for our bodies to absorb. Make tomatoes a regular part of your diet. Soy can be a powerful ally for breast cancer survivors. Soy products are rich in isoflavones, plant compounds that mimic estrogen. Isoflavones bind to estrogen receptors, potentially blocking more potent forms of estrogen. These plant compounds have estrogen-like properties, which help fight against breast cancer by binding to estrogen receptors in breast tissue, potentially inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. These isoflavones can modulate hormone activity and reduce the risk of hormone-related cancers. Studies suggest that regular consumption of soy products is linked to a lower incidence of breast cancer. Studies show that women with breast cancer who consume moderate amounts of soy may have a lower risk of recurrence and improved survival rates. Aim for 1 to 2 servings of soy products per day, such as tofu, tempeh, edamame, or soy milk. Choose organic, non-GMO varieties whenever possible. If you found the information in this video helpful so far, please consider giving it a like, share with your family and friends, and subscribing for more weekly health and wellness videos. Now let's continue. Black raspberries pack a powerful punch against bladder cancer. They're bursting with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which fight off free radicals. Anthocyanins, the antioxidant pigments that give black raspberries their deep color, help fight against bladder cancer by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, which are key factors in cancer development. These compounds have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and promote apoptosis, programmed cell death. Research indicates that anthocyanins can interfere with the pathways that cancer cells use to proliferate, thereby reducing tumor growth and potentially lowering the risk of bladder cancer. Studies show they may slow down the growth of bladder cancer cells and prevent new tumors. Aim for 1 cup of fresh or frozen black raspberries daily. Enjoy them on their own, in smoothies, or on top of yogurt or oatmeal. Pomegranates have remarkable anti-cancer properties. They're brimming with antioxidants, including ellagic acid, punicalagins, and anthocyanins. This trio works synergistically to neutralize free radicals and protect our cells. Pomegranates also possess anti-inflammatory properties, reducing chronic inflammation. Studies show they may slow down cancer cell growth, inhibit tumor formation, and enhance conventional cancer treatments. Aim for 1 cup of pomegranate seeds or 1 glass of pomegranate juice daily. Blueberries are powerful allies in the fight against breast cancer. They're brimming with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which fight off free radicals. Blueberries also possess anti-inflammatory properties, helping to calm inflammation in the body. Studies show they may slow down the growth of breast cancer cells, inhibit tumor formation, and reduce side effects of conventional treatments. Aim for 1 cup of fresh or frozen blueberries daily. Enjoy them on their own, in smoothies, or on top of yogurt or oatmeal. Walnuts are also powerful allies in the fight against colon cancer. They contain omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Walnuts are also a good source of fiber, essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Studies show that people who consume a diet rich in walnuts may have a lower risk of developing colon cancer and improved survival rates. Aim for 1 ounce or about 14 walnut halves daily. Enjoy them as a snack or add them to your meals. We've covered 8 incredible foods that can make a significant difference in your fight against cancer. These aren't just ordinary foods. They are packed with nutrients and compounds that have been scientifically proven to support your body's natural defenses. From boosting your immune system to fighting off harmful free radicals, these foods are your allies on the journey to better health. Imagine your body as a fortress, and these foods as the soldiers defending it against invaders. Every bite is a choice, and you have the power to choose foods that nourish and protect your body. It's not just about avoiding the bad stuff, it's about embracing the good. Think of each meal as an opportunity to fuel your body with the best possible ingredients. Incorporating these superfoods into your daily diet isn't about deprivation, it's about making small, sustainable changes that add up to big results over time. Start with one meal a day, then gradually increase. Before you know it, these healthy choices will become second nature. You're not alone on this journey. Share this video with your loved ones so we can all take charge of our health and fight back against cancer together. Support from family and friends can make a huge difference, turning a personal challenge into a collective mission. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, and here's to your health. Remember, every small step you take today can lead to a healthier tomorrow. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one.